everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be talking all about my spring twists. You guys, when I say I am so in love with these spring twists, like, ain't they cute? Okay, ew, pose, ew, ew. Let me stop playing, y'all. But yes, so I'm so excited to share with you guys just kind of my thoughts on the spring twist and the two simple products that I use to keep them looking really fresh. So yeah, so definitely make sure to give me a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe down below and hit that bell, sis, so you never miss an upload. Okay, so other than that, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so first of all, let's talk about these spring twists. So as you can see, they're kind of like an ombre color. So it's like a really dark brown and kind of like a blonde, probably like a honey blonde at the tip. So I absolutely love that. So they do come kind of like middle of my back. So one thing about spring twists, which I like, is they are springy. So that is the whole, like, that's where they get their name from, spring twist. So they are springy. So just a couple of things about spring twists before I start with how I maintain them. So number one, like, this hair is so soft. Like, it is super soft and it's super lightweight. So for anybody that has had box braids before, you kind of know that they are kind of heavy because you use a lot of hair usually when you get box braids, especially ones that are like towards like the medium to small type width. So those are definitely really heavy. This is so light. So when my hairstylist was installing these, I literally didn't even feel like I had anything else in my hair because it was super light. So that's definitely a plus. So for somebody that may not like a lot of weight on their hair, or maybe kind of tender-headed, or that's worried about any type of tension on their hair, this is a great go-to hairstyle. So now I'm going to demonstrate kind of how I have been maintaining my spring twist. So first things first, I'm going to be using the Cantu line. So this is the Cantu apple cider vinegar dry co-wash, and it has tea tree oil in it. So it's part dry shampoo, part conditioner. It says it absorbs excess oil plus adds natural shine, no white powder residue, which is a plus, and it's great for straight styles. So even though it says it's great for straight styles, I'm going to use it for this protective style. When you wet it or wash it, it's gonna get frizzy. With box braids, honey, I wouldn't have to use this. I can actually use the apple cider vinegar rinse and you know, do the directions and rinse it out, but that's not gonna work for this. So a dry shampoo that has apple cider vinegar, that's gonna come in handy for this, you guys. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate how you kind of put it on. So all I did is I just shook up the can and then I went ahead and sprayed it. One good thing about this spray is that it literally comes out like in a burst, so you don't have to worry about anything dripping. If you want to kind of massage it in, you can, but it pretty much dries on impact and it gives like a really nice like cooling sensation. So yeah, so I was just putting that all throughout my hair. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Cantu Tea Tree and Jojoba Hair and Scalp Oil. Helps protect against breakage, no drip formula, conditions scalp to encourage growth. Well, let me tell you, this right here, sis, is a lifesaver. Okay, first of all, we know how our scalp be trying to act up. Okay, not in the right way, I'm just kidding, but we know how our scalp be trying to act up when we get protective styles. It's like, first of all, my scalp never be dry. But when you want to be exposed, now you want to try to be dry and flaky. No, sis, we do not have time to have cute little spring twists but a flaky scalp. That's not gonna happen on my watch, okay? Not on my watch. So yeah, so this is really good. I really love this. So we know tea tree oil is great, jojoba oil is super great. So one good thing I like about this product is that it does have like a nozzle applicator, which is super important. Because then you can really get like deep down in the crevices. So I'm just about to, as y'all can see, as I am applying this, it definitely has like a really thick texture, which is really good, so you don't need a lot. So as soon as I apply it, I just kind of massage it in and rub it in. You can decide if you want to use this every day. It really just depends on the dryness of your scalp, but I absolutely love this, you guys. It feels so good on my scalp, and my scalp now feels so much better after using those two products. So now we're gonna go ahead and go into the simple hairstyle. The very first hairstyle is pretty much what I have here. It's just completely down. So one thing I did is I kind of did like a deep part. So the way that my hairstylist parted my hair, like I said, that she did like the box part. So I kind of like to have it like this. This is kind of how I like to have it when I'm just wearing it down. I feel like it's just really cute. I have some in the back to show the length, and then of course have some in the front. And I feel like it just frames my face. You can also take some of the front and kind of put it behind your shoulder like this if you would like, and then have like a couple pieces like this. It really honestly just depends on your preference and how you like to wear your hair, but this is style number 1. For style number 2, it's also a super easy style. So pretty much all I'm gonna do is take my hair and put it in like a top knot, so half up half down, but we're going to do a top knot version. Style number 2, so my hair is just in this really cute little top knot. Now of course you can add as much or as little hair as you would like, but even wearing it in this top knot, like I feel no tension, like my hair does not feel heavy, and this is just super cute. So yeah, style number 2. So style number 3 is a super easy transition. So we're pretty just going to untwist the hair, and boom sis, we got style number 3. Okay, this is just your signature half up half down. I absolutely love this. This is so easy to wear. Like, this is so cute. Like, I absolutely love this half up half down, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, like I love this. It's so cute. Oh, and you know that my baby hairs is always laid. Okay, sis. Baby hairs got to be laid. But yeah, so this is style number 3. For style number 4, what we're gonna do is we're going to, so you're gonna part your hair however you would like. So if you want a middle part, you can do middle part or a side part. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep my side part. And we're just going to do like a low half up half down type thing. So just take like these 2 pieces, so a chunk in this hand and a chunk in this hand. We're gonna bring it back and go ahead and put our little tie back here. And this is it, sis. Like, this is it. Like, it is super easy, and it looks so cute. Variation of this is you can kind of do like a twist right here in the front, and then bring the other side together, and then you can tie that up in the back, and the twist just kind of gives like a different dimension. So, and I think that the front twist is super cute, and I really like it. So that kind of gives another dimension to the overall look. So all you're gonna do is just stand up, flip your hair over. You're just gonna make sure that you have a big enough rubber band or headband, something to secure all of your twists, and you're just gonna kind of just do like a big old messy bun at the top. So I absolutely love it. So one good thing about this messy bun is that you can actually do some faux bangs if you would like. You can make them as messy or as neat as you want. So I just kind of have, you know, just a little bit coming out to frame the top of my face, and I think this is so cute. This would also be cute if you have like a really cute headband or a cute scarf you could kind of like tie around. I think it would be super cute. And even with all of my twists up at the top of my head, you guys, my head and hair does not feel heavy. This feels really good, and I really like it. So this is great for like those hot summer days, and of course somebody that's very active, or if you work out, you just don't want your twist touching your neck or anything, then this is a very great style for you. Hey everyone, so we are at the end of the video, so definitely thank you guys so much for tuning in for this video and staying to the very end. I will definitely make sure to put my hairstylist name down in the bottom and her Instagram information. So if you are in the Atlanta area or Metro Atlanta area and you would love to get some of these beautiful spring twists, definitely let me know. Definitely, like I said, definitely gonna make sure to check out her information down in the description box. Also, the hair that she used, I don't have the package anymore, but I would definitely get the name of the hair, and I will link that down below. She just went to her local beauty supply store, but yeah, so definitely make sure to check her out. Her name is Not Just Nandi on Instagram, so definitely make sure to go follow her and check her out. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely love this hairstyle. It is so cute to me, and I'm so glad that I've played with some colors. So who knows, the next hairstyle, next braids or faux locks or whatever, I may be going blonde. What y'all think? Do y'all think that blonde faux locks will look cute on me? I think so. I think blonde, I mean, well, first of all, First of all, we already know, okay, that some of us got blonde hair out here, and it look good. Like blonde on chocolate. What y'all think? What y'all think? So y'all definitely tell me down below what color I should get my faux locks. I'm really thinking blonde, you guys. Like blonde, okay? I'm trying to stunt. You hear me? I'm just kidding. Y'all really cannot take me seriously, y'all. Y'all cannot take me seriously. But yeah, you guys, other than that, thank you again so much for watching my video. I absolutely love all the support that you guys are giving me. I'm just a girl on here just sharing my journey. And I'm so glad to be sharing it with you all. So definitely make sure to comment down below any new videos you guys would like to see this summer. And other than that, I will catch you in my next upload. Bye, guys.